Welcome, beloved anointed ones.
I tend to downplay the role of nature in the context of nature versus nurture when thinking of the progression of personality disorders. On the nature side of things, a causal relationship hasn't been established in neurological studies between brain abnormalities and personality disorders, only corollary. On the nurture side of things, because of the neuroplasticity and uniqueness of each individual brain, mind, body being impressed upon, predictions fail to rise to a level of statistical significance. Once again, the will of the artist takes precedence. The disordered individual has simply dug their pen into the mind-body canvas in a certain pattern so compulsively that it's become a canyon, impossible to escape, and one that might take generations to erase. Perhaps the only true disorder is OCD. Peace.